We did it. After more than 2 years of YouTube, I finally hit 100,000 subscribers. You might be wondering how it feels. It feels nice having some milestone that I can prove myself with. Also feels kind of relieving that I achieved one of the biggest goals that I had with YouTube. After all the ups and downs and unanswered questions I had, it finally happened. But to be honest, I'm not too surprised or shocked that it happened because I'm the same exact person. I knew that the things that I'm doing right now are eventually just gonna get me the things that I dreamt for because I have that confidence in knowing what I'm doing is the right thing. I imagined myself making this video for months. I imagined it happening. Me sitting pretty much in this same exact spot saying that I finally hit 100,000 subscribers. I feel like I just have to keep being myself, keep doing the things that got me here in the first place. I'm not trying to brag about it or flaunt it, but I also want to share some things that I've learned from it. And the first thing was just to stay humble with what you do. Don't have an ego. Don't think that you're better than anyone really, because anyone can achieve anything. Honestly, I believe that. How do I know? Because literally 2 years ago, I was just doom scrolling, playing video games all day, pretty much doing absolutely nothing, in my opinion, to having 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I just chose that. I chose to have 100,000 subscribers. It's not like I was born with that genetic to speak on camera, but I just chose to do it. I believe a lot of things in life are just a choice, whether you're choosing to be happy or sad, whether you're choosing to have a YouTube channel or not. Everything in life, I believe, is a great way to look at it because it holds yourself more responsible to what happens in your life and lets you have control over your life, is that everything is a choice. And I chose to have 100,000 subscribers. The biggest thing also is keep going and you won't lose. So many videos have flopped for me, done horribly. I thought would have done better, but it's just those few videos that performed extraordinarily that counted, that made the difference. And those videos that blew up my channel would not have happened if I just gave up, if I didn't commit, if I didn't stay consistent. I also learned in every aspect of life to take note of what the great achievers in that area did and how I can emulate their ideas, their thinking, their systems that they have in place to succeed. Furthermore, to enjoy it. I would want to make these videos whether I had 100,000 subscribers or zero. I like doing this, whether I made money or didn't. So I'm not thinking of 100,000 subscribers as the end of this channel. I'm still going to be posting. I'm still going to be doing stuff. I just think of it as a new beginning. That's another good thing. Because I enjoy it, I don't think of having an end goal. It's just something that I keep doing, whether it's uploading every single day or just once a week. But right now I do want to focus more on helping other people grow their channels too. If that's something you'd be interested, actually click that Calendly link or just join the Skool community, which is free, in the description, and talk to me about it. I'm going to try to do at least one video per week, but especially during the summer and the further days, I'm going to try to get more experiences, live out my summer, do more stuff so I end up having more ideas, things to talk about, which can make this channel help more people grow even more, and it's a win-win-win for everyone. So, a conclusion thought, I don't feel like celebrating all of this achievement. It's not like a mindset shift that immediately made me want to do some crazy stuff because I hit 100,000. But I've already been feeling like this the day I switched my mindset to believe that I like making videos, and it's something I believe myself doing and having confidence. That's the day I felt great. The day I started making videos. I hope that made sense, but thank you so much for just watching this video, even if you didn't subscribe. I hope this video was interesting. Let me know what video you would be interested in me making in the comments. I'll try to do it, but I'll see you later. Peace.